Hi, hello everyone. Wish you happy Pongal to you all.
Vanakkam sir, happy Pongal.
Happy Pongal. See the Pongal decoration. Wow. Mind blowing. Chef,
Namaste.
how are you?
Fine.
I hope everything is fine. Chef, just tell me actually how you are celebrating Pongal here at Meridien Coimbatore Hotel. How you are going to celebrate?
Hi, hello everyone. Wish you happy Pongal to you all. Today, what is Pongal? How is it celebrate in Tamil Nadu?
Yeah.
First cultivate rice in Thai. That is the name of Tamil month. Starting with first cultivate rice, boiled with rice and sweets. Because of every function, we have to Tamil Nadu first start with sweet only. Okay, that's why you have to add a sweet and rice. You have both are mixed with him. That is the one kind of Pongal, and all the what is the agriculture things, what all are you have to using. They all are put in one together, and pujas will be there. Pujas, and then celebrate with him. So our cows will be there. They also cows also we have to celebrate with him.
Oh,
All are put in one together and celebrate it. That is the Pongal.
that's the Pongal celebration. So what food all you used to make at your house, and what I can see that lots of
This is
foods you have
actually
made here.
now coming days is we have to lots of Pongals we have came. This is actually from milk and rice.
What is this?
This is actually milk and rice. This is a milk Pongal.
ये दिखाइए थोड़ा सा milk and Pongal.
Yeah. If somebody don't eat sweets, little bit sweets, that's why you have to make with him.
Very nice है देखिए.
And this is a regular Pongal. You have to make with jangri and rice and dal. And this is the must ghee is bus. Yes.
This is made of
Rice and jangri.
jaggery.
Yeah.
Jaggery and rice, huh?
This month first cultivate rice.
So basically, when we are cultivating the rice,
Yeah.
the first rice,
You have to make
what is coming from your field.
Yeah.
So this is you are making Pongal.
Making Pongal.
This is the celebration. Wow.
Everything is you have to first came from sweet. This also is
What is this?
sugar cane, and this is a tempered chana dal. In all festivals, you have to Tamil Nadu make with him because of good for health also, good for all together. That's why you have to.
This
make.
is chana basically.
Yeah. Little spicy. Add green chilies, everything. Better combination with the Pongal and chana.
Wow. This is very nice. Now let's see what rest all chef has made. We will go one by one. Here you can see all the different varieties of local what we used to make at our house. So this is basically celebration for all over the India. Somewhere we used to say Makar Sankranti, and somewhere we used to say Lohori. Okay, so it's a basically Indian different corner celebration. So as we are in Tamil Nadu, so we used to say Pongal. Okay, let's. Jam coconut pastries. Okay, now red velvet cupcake. See the Pongal with 2025. Happy Pongal. Excellent. Imagine. See how chef has made here also. Happy Pongal. What is this? Oh, baked yogurt, मिष्टी दही. देखिए, कलकत्ता जाना है मिष्टी दही खाने के लिए, लेकिन यहाँ पे भी मिल रहा है. ठीक है, ट्राई करेंगे मैं जरूर. ठीक है, ये देखिए आप. ठीक है, गातोक, सिमाइया, खीर, जगरी का रसगुल्ला बहुत हेल्दी होता है, सबको खाना चाहिए. ठीक है, कट फ्रूट्स. ओके, सी लॉट्स ऑफ बेसन लड्डू इज आल्सो देयर. वाओ, बेसन लड्डू देखिए, बेसन लड्डू. Here we have a strawberry gatox with happy Pongal message. All right. देखिए कितना बेहतरीन तरीका से मैडम जो है आटा बना रहा है. बहुत मेहनत लगता है इसमें, लेकिन ये एकदम परफेक्शन के साथ में बना रहा है. ठीक है, कितना मेहनत करना पड़ता है. तब जाके रेडी होता है पोंगल।